Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make a Crunchwrap Supreme from Taco Bell in your own kitchen. So we're going to start with the taco meat. So first you just you cook one clove of garlic in your stove, and I'm using this plant-based beef. It's the Alpha Crumble plant-based original beef. And I'm gonna mix that with some vegan refried beans, and that'll be the taco meat. So I'm adding some of the crumble. I have leftovers for later. Can't use it all. Now I'm just gonna mix it. So I'll just mix that up, and while that is all warming up / defrosting, I'm gonna do some other stuff. And I got this queso. It's chipotle queso from Whole Foods. It's really, really good. But you can also make your own queso at home, but this is so good, so I don't know why you would do that. So I'm just gonna put some in a bowl and heat it up. So I just heated it up for 30 minutes. Now it's ready. And
30 minutes?
I'm so sorry. That's the wrong unit of time. What I meant to do was 30 seconds. And these are heating up nicely. So you just gotta make all the ingredients ready and hot so that when you bake it in there, not bake it, you cook it. You cook it at the end, it won't be cold. Okay, so now I'm gonna take one big tortilla and one small tortilla. Okay, so I have one big and one small tortilla. I'm just gonna put them in the oven, in the microwave for like maybe 30 seconds. They're gonna be pretty hot. You can put it for a little less time if you'd like. But so now you're ready to assemble, because I think just make sure it's nice and cooked through, easy to move around the spoon. So you can put that off and put your pan that you're gonna actually cook the Crunchwrap on the stove to get it hot. While you're doing that, we're gonna actually assemble it. Now we're just gonna put in the middle, keep it in the middle of the big tortilla. That's a good amount. Remember, you're gonna have to fold it all in, so don't overload on one ingredient. So just mix it around a little, make sure it's smooth. Put all the cheese on top of the taco meat. Okay, it's all ready to go. Ooh, next thing is the tostada. And finish off the cheese. Okay. I have this Mission tostadas. I got it at Kroger. So I'm gonna get one of the tostadas, and now we're gonna put that on top of the meat and the cheese. And then I'm gonna put a nice layer of sour cream on that. That doesn't work because then it'll break, so don't do that. Yeah, gotta however much you want on there. It's a good layer. And then you're gonna put all of the veggies, which is just tomatoes and lettuce, and the shredded cheese. How much lettuce you want. Now, don't pick between cheese and queso. Both of them are very integral to this dish. And then get a little handful for yourself, because you're doing such a great job. Don't forget that. Okay, now you're done. Now, this is what the little tortilla is for. I'm gonna press all of it down very gently. And then you wrap. This is probably honestly the hardest part. And it's not that hard. So you start on the bottom, and you fold in like that. I don't really know how to describe this, so just, rewind. and watch it again. But you'll recognize it when it's done, and then you're ready. So and now squish it a little bit so it holds the crease, and now you're ready. So if you didn't have this tortilla piece, then all the filling would be spilling out. And now we're ready with our heat on. It's been heating up, so now you just kind of, you go for it, you know? That sizzle is what you want to hear. So then you just let it cook for maybe a couple minutes. Okay, so now it's time to flip it. Okay, yeah, it's definitely burning, but it's fine. Ooh. Should be good. Now I'm gonna put it on the serving plate. Look at that. Beauty. Beautiful. I don't know what it's called when you cut it and look in the middle, but that's what we're gonna do. Oh yeah, you want that crunch. That's how you know it's really, really good.
Okay, look at this yum.
Okay, look at this nice inside. You can see all of the layers.
Oh, yummy.
Now you're ready to eat. So you got one bite. What do you think?
It's yum. It's very, very tasty.
Yay! Do you feel like you need to go to Taco Bell and buy it?
Oh, no. Better than that. Better than that.
Thank you for your glowing testimony. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks. Come again. I'm going to add the whole can of beans. No, not. Yeah, it's important to look at it while it's in the microwave. Okay, now they're nice and warmed up. Oh, that's hot. I can smell burning, so yeah. Ideally it would hold a little bit better, but I'm under pressure from being filmed, so.